Before you take TRT, watch this. Have you recently hit your 40s and felt that familiar drag? Less energy, mental fog, stubborn weight that won't go away? If you're a man committed to rebuilding strength, discipline, legacy, and having fun, hit that subscribe button. You're in the right place. It's easy to assume testosterone is to blame. Yes, testosterone naturally declines with age. According to the Endocrine Society, it drops about 1% each year after you turn 30. By the time men reach their 60s, as many as 30% exhibit signs of low testosterone, and the number increases with age. This leads to fatigue, mood changes, reduced muscle mass, and, yes, a lower sex drive. But here's the first question to ask. Have you confirmed that your T is actually low? Twice? With early morning lab tests, not just symptoms. In most cases, the men who jump on TRT haven't fixed their habits first, and that's the key problem, because often it's not your hormones that are failing you, it's your lifestyle. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, report that over 40% of men aged 45 to 64 are clinically obese. Lack of movement, poor sleep, chronic stress, and processed foods, these are testosterone killers. If you're living like that, of course, your body slows down. But the fix isn't always found in a vial. What if you could turn it around naturally? That's not fantasy, it's fact. Studies from the Mayo Clinic and the National Institutes of Health confirm that lifestyle changes, especially strength training, better sleep, and reduced stress, can significantly raise testosterone. This isn't slow magic. Many men see improvements in energy and mood in just a few weeks. In fact, resistance training, especially compound lifts like squats and deadlifts, is one of the most proven ways to boost natural testosterone. The US military knows this. Programs like Holistic Health and Fitness, H2F, train soldiers to control their sleep, manage their stress, and prioritize strength before turning to medical fixes. These aren't bodybuilders, they're warriors. They don't wait to feel better, they act, and that's the same mindset you need. So, TRT can offer benefits: increased energy, better mood, improved bone density, and a boost in libido. But if you're using it as a shortcut, the results may disappoint. Studies show that for men with age-related low T, not medical deficiency, the improvements are marginal, and the side effects, they're real. So here's the next question. Are you willing to trade one form of discomfort for another? If you're not lifting weights, not sleeping 7 to 8 hours, not eating clean, and not managing stress, are you sure you've earned the right to call your testosterone levels hopeless? Because many men who do those things see their levels rise naturally. It just takes time and effort. The military doesn't rush to inject hormones into its personnel. Instead, it builds warriors through structure, wake times, strength protocols, nutrition systems, mental clarity practices. That structure, not motivation, is what keeps soldiers battle ready, and it can do the same for you. And now, you're not just tired, you're chemically imbalanced. Are you ready for lifelong blood tests, side effect management, and emotional swings when a dose changes? What if, instead of chasing injections, you rebuilt your system, fixed your sleep, lifted weights 3 times a week, cut the processed junk, walked in the sun, breathed deeply, got quiet, served others? It gave your mind and body what it's been craving: consistency. Are you still considering TRT? That's not a shameful choice, but it should be an educated one made after exhausting natural efforts, not avoiding them. The strongest men on earth are always the ones taking supplements. They're the ones who show up daily without shortcuts, who controls their environment, who lives by discipline, and if they choose TRT, it's after they've earned that next step. So what's your next step? Have you tested your T levels twice in the early morning? Are you sleeping 7 hours, lifting weekly, and eating real food? Have you developed a system to manage your stress and maintain mental clarity? If not, start there. Because the answer isn't always chemical, it's often behavioral. And that's the part you control. Don't fall for the shortcut before trying the proven path. Before you take TRT, train like it's your only option. Live like your future depends on it, because it does. You don't need to be a soldier to live like one, but you do need structure, intensity, accountability. Reclaim your edge the honest way. And if you still need TRT, let it enhance what you've already built. And if this message made you pause, good. That's the goal. Ask yourself, what's one change I can make today to raise my T naturally? What am I avoiding that could change my energy tomorrow? Drop your answers in the comments and subscribe if you're ready to build a stronger life without shortcuts.